Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I'm Amanda, and today we have the Epson Ecotank 8550 printer that we just purchased. So we're going to do an unboxing today, and you all can come along with us while we unbox and show you everything that comes with it. Okay, I got my scissors. Hubby is here because this thing is heavy, so he's going to have to move it over to a table. We had to make room.
Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Here, you wanna open it while I hold the camera?
I don't know what the hell this is. Plastic. Directions.
Oh, okay. It comes with the software. So if you've been following, then you all know that we already have the Epson Workforce 7720. And we figure we might as well invest in another printer as a backup printer in case something were to happen to our other printer. And we went with this one because you can see the ink. With our other Epson, we cannot see the ink, so we have to check it every now and then to make sure that it doesn't get low. These are the original inks that come with it, but we will not be using these because we are going to use this for sublimation.
It's on the other side over there.
Here, I want to put that ink also.
Oh, it's one more bottle of ink and a power cord.
Oh, okay.
That's the gray. Let me see if I can get it out.
Oh, man. That's a nice size. Okay, so we had to make room on this table over here. We did have our mannequins sitting up here, but we had nowhere else, you all. We are like literally out of space. This comes up right here.
Damn, did they give us enough tape?
Oh, man. And then this part comes up too. You take this one off. And then so let's close this down.
Cool, what the hell this yellow thing is?
Okay, so yeah, y'all, it's a lot of tape. I think these are just cushions that are on there, so don't. Yeah, I think that's just to stop stuff from like moving. I don't know, but it's another. Does this come all the way out? Because it's another, like a. It's like another tape or something. Yeah, right there. It's probably the paper underneath it. Right there. See? Yeah, that butcher paper. You want to pull it from under there, you can.
Alright, put it back. Put it there.
Alright. Okay, y'all, so when purchasing, just remember that you do have to download this into your drive to connect the computer. Connect the printer to the computer. And then this is the ink that we decided to go with. And another thing, you all, so for like our old printer, the Epson 7720, we purchased Cosmo ink, and that is a little bit more expensive than the Hippo ink. So that's a plus also as well for this printer, that the ink isn't as much. Yeah, it's not as expensive as the other ink that we were using. So uh-oh. Right there.
Trade one.
And then this is what I love the most, is that right here you can see all your ink and the level that it's at, and if you need to refill it. Mm-hmm. Is it up there?
Right here.
Okay, so hubby is just plugging it up. Here's the back. Just waiting for it to turn on.
Hit power, huh? You also got to go in your app store and download the Epson Smart Panel app.
On your phone?
Yeah. I have my phone over there.
So that's what it would look like. Just like that. Oops, let me move it up some so y'all can see.
No, that ain't the face page of it.
No, but that's the starter point. This bag is if you want to dispose of your printer. They got showing you right here. I don't know if that's like you want to get rid of your old printer or what.
Keep that stuff with me.
Is that what it is?
I don't know.
No, it's not.
I'm just guessing.
He's just using his phone to set the printer up. So the power button is blinking. Okay, y'all. So there's the Sublimation ink. Just getting closer. It's actually showing him, y'all, on the phone how to go about doing it. Trying to get this. Okay, cool. So you guys can see that it is actually filling up. Get a closer look. So he just set the bottle on top like that. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and just finish out this process so this video isn't too long, and then we'll let you all see it when we get done. So you guys, when filling the printer up, make sure you pay attention because they have black and then they have photo black, and you don't want to get your inks mixed up. And let me see that box. And the box, you all, this comes with 6 different ink colors.
Epson 7720 only come with 4.
Yeah, and so this one has the 6 different ink colors, and this Hippo ink only costed us, let me move this back, only costed us $50 for all 6, where for the Epson, it's like how much for 4?
For the Cosmo.
For the
About altogether about $50.
For the little ones?
Almost 50, yeah.
So yeah, so for the Cosmo ink, so for just these 4 for the Cosmo ink, y'all, are $50. So yeah.
And you don't have to deal with syringes.
Oh yeah, you don't have to deal with these little tedious syringes that you have to use to draw the ink up and fill these cartridges. These are the cartridges, sublimation cartridges that go in the 7720. So yeah. So for the ink, you guys, it took most of the bottle. It's like a little left in here. So it's so it's 100 milliliters, and the good thing is you're only gonna pay $50 if you have to buy a whole nother set. So it's not too bad. And then and another thing, you don't have to worry about the ink overflowing because it automatically alerts it to stop. Let me see your phone.
It don't alert it, it just
stops. It just stops. But so that's what the setup is looking like right there. Okay, everyone, so as you all can see, all the inks are filled. We're on the last bottle. So the setup was not that hard at all. The unboxing and filling the ink up was actually pretty easy. Don't forget to use the disc that they send you with the printer to set it up with your computer. And yeah, do that step last though. Fill your ink first, and then I would recommend doing the the CD setup after you fill your inks. So again, if you all like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, and we will see you all in the next one.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.
See y'all in the next video. Bye.